morning, traders. Welcome to today's Trade Ideas and Signal. A disclaimer here. Yeah, it is called Trade Ideas and Signal for a reason. It's not a financial advice. So I will advise you to only trade with your available money that you can afford to lose. So anything can happen in market is always risky. Yeah. So I would like you to take caution in your trading. So welcome to our favorite peer, and we first review our previous trade and try to see what the market is doing right now. So from what we have here now, so you can see that our previous trade, our Thursday trade hit TP, and our Friday trade uh, wasn't what is it called? Wasn't peaked before it went up, and the kind of reaction we are having from this level indicates the fact that okay, we have to cancel our Friday trade, but our Thursday trade do its TP. So what we're going to be doing is very simple this morning, and as you can see, we've been engaging in this big range. Throughout last week, it was a very massive one. And let's start from by erasing all our annotations so that we can see what the market is doing clearly. So from what we have here now, we are seeing some kind of reaction. Don't forget today is Monday and we are in new week. So I will advise we start from monthly to see what we have. So we have this reaction on monthly. Okay, we are in an internal structure monthly. So and it's kind of giving us some reaction. But nonetheless, don't forget that we are reacting from this imbalance here, which is sending price higher. And this might actually be our potential order block to send price even higher. So let's go to weekly to see what we can advise on. Don't know, my network is so slow these days. Glow network is very bad. So you've got to be patient with me. And from the reaction we are seeing here weekly, we have a very massive impulsive move here on weekly last week. And from this internal structure that we have here, a lot is happening and a lot is going on. And if you don't forget, last week I did pick some levels here that I was expecting some reaction from on daily. So reacting from weekly now, we might be kind of creating an internal structure here to even send price higher. And we have this level here, markets move from PDRS to PDRS. So we have this particular level here, which we can be anticipating in price. And this kind of movement that we have, we can just begin to have a deeper retracement into all these levels. And this impulsive leg cannot just stand all alone in this scenario. So I guess we might want to be creating some internal structure, a manipulation leg into some kind of level here before the price is being sent up. And if we are going to measure that, I can kind of like, okay, let's do it this way. And let me try and invert that and see if there is test, visibility, style, extend, right, okay. If there is no, we're going to do it this way then. So we're going to do it. We'll be anticipating some kind of level from that particular place. Okay. So if we have this level to be our something, then we have this liquidity void here, which might be sending price higher for this week. So here will be our liquidity void. So that might be the something that I'll be sending price into. Yeah, something let's try and do some analysis on 4 hour. What really concern us with daily, weekly, and monthly again. So we just want to kind of like, okay, take some little trips on 4 hour below so that at least we'll be having some opportunity daily. So the network is somehow okay. We have this level here giving us some kind of reaction. We have this double bottom here that we can kind of be taking trades from. Today is Monday. We can be expecting some manipulation into this low for us to even go higher. And we did have some levels here that we might be expecting price to react from. This particular trade that we have here last week might kind of be giving us some reactions in the market to send price even higher. So what we're going to be doing is very simple from what we are having here. If we are to check the trades um based on what is it called? Based on the fact that we are still expecting higher prices in the market. Yes, this is Monday. We might be expecting some kind of reaction in the market. So I have this level here, to this level. I'm leaning toward both wow. And as you can see, it has been tapped. And that might give us some kind of reaction into our expected buy. Okay. So this level here, let's try to see the how many pips it is. So that we use that one to judge maybe okay, 36 pips. And kind of like since that place has been scrapped already, I'll be expecting some reactions into that level, you know. So inputs and this can be giving us 30 pips. We have 30 pips from that level and 1 to 3 will give us 90 pips. So we're expecting some kind of reactions from this level and this might be our buy. But if this level got invalidated, we might be anticipating some kind of buy from this angle that we have here. But nonetheless, since we have has a 12 pips movement already, so can just let that be. No, 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 no. No. Let's go to 4 hour. Let's try and analyze some reversal pattern that we are seeing. But personally, we can't bank on it because it's market close and market open. So our level of invalidation for this particular trade will be this level. So let's try to put some structural analysis, which is that will be a major strong low. And here will be a weak high, which has been taken. So weak high, which has been taken. Network is so slow. So that's our weak high. And what do we have here? We have a shift in the markets. That's our MSS major shift in the market. So if we have this particular level, then here can be liquidity something taking place. So we have this shift in the market and this particular leg is supposed to be the one to send price higher. Or being market opened, anything can happen in the market. So we have this particular level here, which was traded below and closed below. So automatically, if we are going to be having any sales now in the market, and that happens to be after a shift, we have structure change. Uh, You have this little structure break here, and we can be anticipating a sell. So yeah, where we are now, we can be anticipating both buy and sell. So here is my level of invalidation for this buy, this particular buy that we have here. And if anything at all, today being Monday, might kind of be sending price lower. I kind of be sending price lower into this particular leg that we have here. So if I thought if I'm going to be sending any short position, this one is very, very interesting here. Let me switch my internet since Glow is misbehaving this morning. So so okay, we are now on MTN. The network was really, really bad on Glow. So this particular level happens to be our strong glow, like I said. Here we becomes our weak eye, which was eventually taken, but here we have a shift in markets. It gave us a major shift. This particular leg is supposed to send price up. Then we have this one being broken below. So here becomes our trend change, which we're going to see clearly on lower time frame. So we have our trend change, which is structure break. Then here automatically becomes our strong eye. But we are yet to have a very good validation of what is going on within this leg. So there is no invalidation yet. We have this imbalance here, which market can actually give us some reactions from. So there is an imbalance there. We are lying perfectly with our buy. So what I'm going to personally be doing is taking both sides of the trade. So we can have a little retracement, a little creating a lower price before we send price higher on our what is it called on on weekly, creating a new weekly candle today. So this type of trading is a risky one. So but we've just got to pull some things off. So here will be uh some level to sell from. So if out of we are buying from here, we are buying 1 to 3, 90 pips something. Then if at all, if this leg is to be holding, then we'll be selling from that angle there. So let's go to 1 hour to see. Okay. Then from what we have here, we have this particular leg that has been acted upon, and we have this place that has been acted upon. So if I thought we're going to be sending any short position, personally, it should be from this leg that we have here to this place, which is 20 pips. So, and the closure that we have there is not that balanced. So I'm just saying 60 pips. Let's just go to 1 to 3. Anything can happen within these markets that we have here. Anything can just happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. This place can come to send price lower, and this place can come to send price higher. So we have this particular level. Then from our structure of something here, we can see that this level close below this low. Then automatically, if I thought we are going to be selling anything, it should be from this angle. So this will be my trade on for this Monday, and we should know that is a risky trade. It's a risky trade, nothing more, nothing less. This one can pick, and this one can pick, whichever one happens to pick first. So, and nonetheless, I'll be leaning toward buying from this angle that we have here, this particular angle. This might be our buy for the new something. So let's try to check it out with weekly, with what can happen during the week. Let's see, weekly, daily. Where is it? It's very long. So we might not actually be having anything from that place. So let's try and work out within this something. So here, many things will be our point of invalidation for this trade. So we can be selling from this angle here down. Okay. So we can be selling from this angle that we have here. We can be selling from here and be buying from here. So if we are doing the two, whichever happens, then our sell will be invalidated with this particular level here, or this level here. But I'm not expecting, if we're going to have any sell, I'm not expecting this level to be invalidated before the sell. And at the same time, I'm not expecting this level. So before we can begin to say, okay, our sell is invalid, it will be this particular leg that we have here. Okay. So it will be this particular leg that we have. And our buy also, even if this leg is invalidated, I'll still be expecting myself to buy from this liquidity void that we have here. So if I'm going to be taking any trades, it might be from this particular level. And I'll be risking, uh, be risking 1% on all these trades. Yeah, no matter what, because I come to conclusion that okay, every trade, they are all the same. The one you are sure of can come and might not come. The one you are not even sure of might still come. So whichever way, let's go with that. So we'll be taking these two trades. Then if we have this level invalidated, then automatically I'll be buying from this particular leg that we have here. So here will be my invalidation leg. But today being Monday, anything can just happen within the market. So if I'm going to be buying from the liquidity void, it's going to be this level that we have here. So, so I might be buying from this level to send price up. So that's that about that. Let me quickly place the trade. Thank you. Have a profitable week. This analysis is not for the week, it's just for today because anything can happen in the market. We can lose these two trades and we can win both, whichever. No, we can win, we can win anyone, but this we'll be watching out for this level. So probably by New York time, I might come back to do some fresh analysis or whatever play out during this London session. Thank you very much. Very profitable week.